Welcome back to my backyard snack yard on a rather overcast day here in Dorset, England. I just have been looking at my hanging basket here for a little while because it's starting to look past its prime. I filled it with these beautiful yellow ranunculus not too long ago now, a couple of months, and it's been looking really beautiful. They keep on flowering and they're so stunning. I love these little guys. But it is really starting to flop and fade, and I really think I want to clean it up. And then I saw these French lavender in the supermarket today, and I just thought, oh, they look so beautiful. I love the way they smell as well, and I think it'll be a really fragrant hanging basket to have right next to the door. So I got 2 plants. I was going to get 3, but I want to have space for other things too. I've got this scented pelargonium, which is a little cutting. It actually hasn't rooted yet, but it will do once I get it into the ground. I also have some herbs here. I grew these Greek oregano from seed last year, and it's been overwintering, and there's lots of beautiful, very aromatic growth coming up here. And then there's another one of them too. There's also, I think these are going to be love in a mist, so I'll get them in as well. And then I have a little rosemary, a sprig of rosemary, which I took as a cutting last winter. I took a few, but only this one made it. And actually there's some little flower buds down there. So it's doing well. And again, I love the smell of rosemary. So I'm going to put all this into a little hanging basket. I also have some seeds. I want to add some black velvet nasturtiums. I used some of these last year and they're just really, really beautiful. And they're really well described by their names, so they look like black velvet. Really pretty things. And then I'm also going to add my favorites, calendula. And these ones are going to be kind of miniature, so not too tall, but just really cute. So let's get potting up. I've got myself a bag of compost, and we're just going to empty these guys out. I will be keeping the ranunculus. I'm just going to get them out and put them in a pot and just keep them ticking over and get them ready to flower again next year, and also enjoy the last flowers because some of them are still really pretty. You can really see they're in the buttercup family. They're so lovely and bright and cheerful. I've got the beautiful golden ranunculus all potted up here, so we can just enjoy the last flowers. I'll pop them down somewhere in a border and let them continue flowering, and then we get ready to reflower again next year. And then I started filling this hanging basket with these French lavender. Aren't they just so cute? So fragrant. And I've got these 2 sprigs, it's actually 2, of rooted rosemary cuttings. So I'm going to pop them in the back, just behind these little guys. There's a little area here I can pop them into. It's going to really make a beautiful, fragrant pot, I think. So there it is. It just needs to sort of settle. I'll give it lots of water, but it's got the lovely lavender here, and then a bit of rosemary in the back, a few sprigs, and then some Greek oregano here in the front, 2 bits of it, and some love in a mist just flopping all over the place, and oh, those wonderful scented pelargoniums. Now I'm just going to find some little spots to add some of these little seeds. I was going to do the calendula, as mentioned. These are supposed to be kind of short ones, so they'd be really good for it. I'll just pop them all around the pot, and also the nasturtiums too. And then we'll just see how they go. So now it's all potted up, and I've planted those little seeds. And we can just wait as it just fills out this pot. And I can also come around and pick some of the herbs as they grow. It's going to be a really useful pot as well. I find that growing especially Mediterranean herbs in these kind of hanging baskets is so ideal for them. I have another one over here. And it actually overwintered in this spot. It's also filled with some of the plants I sowed. I've got some Greek oregano again. I had this really special one that I love, which is called the olive herb, and it actually tastes a lot like olives. You use it just like rosemary. You can see it sort of looks slightly like rosemary, and it's a really delicious herb to use. But these ones, they just remained in this hanging basket all winter. They actually were said to require some winter protection, but we had a really, we had some cold spells. We had a good winter, a good mild winter, but we had some cold spells where the temperature dipped to -6 degrees Celsius. And I left it out here, and they're completely fine. They even grew a bit over winter. So it's a great way because it doesn't get too wet. Lots of times Mediterranean herbs get really wet and then the roots start rotting during winter here in the UK. But having them in these kind of hanging baskets, they're constantly being air dried and they just do really well. So I really think it's a great way to grow these herbs. But I'll give this one a really good drink, and then you can just enjoy it as it grows and fills out the pot. And I'll pop this one, as mentioned, into a little border so we can keep enjoying the pretty flowers. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. They can feel right at home in this little area where I have some beautiful buttercups growing as well.